Many a times, we may like some text or typography style in any image or brand or logo, but may not be able to identify what font is used in it. In this video, I will show you how you can identify the font used in any image and download it to use in your projects. So let's get started with the video. You can see this Designo text on this image. To find the font that has been used in this image, we need to go to Font Squirrel's site. And here, we need to click this font identifier text link. And on this page, we need to upload the image from our computer that has the text in it. We can select only the text here with the glide box. And click the match button, which will search and try to match the font on the image with the best resembled font from the website. And if we scroll down the page, we can see all the font that has been used, or resembles the font used. Here, we have the free version and the paid version. We can download the free version to our computer and use it in our graphics projects. You can see the fonts group we downloaded. We need to copy and paste the font in the font directory in Windows. In Mac it is the System, Library, Font directory normally. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.